Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. Today I'm going to plant the snake beans directly to the ground. A week ago I prepared the ground with compost, cow manure, and I'm going today to plant the beans. These beans, the snake beans, grow very long, so I prepared this steel mesh to climb on, and it will take a couple of months to harvest, from planting to harvest. It's the start of spring. It's a bit cool now in Melbourne, Australia, but I think in a couple of weeks or less than 2 weeks, the snake beans seeds will germinate and it will start growing, and I'm going to get them to climb on this mesh up high. So I'm going to plant them in a line. I'm going to make trench. I recommend using certified beans. These reputable place I buy from, and these are the beans. So I'm going to plant 2 beans in one spot, and every 20 centimeter I will put 2 of them. And I'm going to cover by around 1.5 centimeter of or 15 mil of soil. And now I'm going to water them. Not much of water, just a little bit to keep the soil moist. We will check in a couple of weeks. Hopefully we'll start the germination, and I will keep you updated as they grow and they start producing. Please like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. The snake beans ready to harvest. They almost arm length tall now. They amazing beans. I'm going to compare it to my arm. That's an amazing bean ready to harvest in around 60 days from planting. That's amazing beans, very productive, and I'm going to harvest some today. You need to harvest regularly to keep the production going. The more you harvest, the more it produces. Don't keep it too long because it dries. By the way, this one was supposed to be harvested probably like this one a couple of days ago, but I'm going to harvest them today. They're ready. I'm going to keep the seeds for next season. So that's the harvest for today. Please subscribe, like and share. I really appreciate your support and that will help the channel a lot. So every support I've got from you is really highly appreciated, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.